Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox Dell Alienware 17. This is M17 R5. 17 means it's 17-inch, color dark side of the moon. I'm gonna see this color. 17.3 Full HD display. Ryzen 7 6800, 16 gig of RAM, DDR5 obviously, 512 SSD and 6700 video card. Windows 11 Home. It came in a cardboard like this. They put shipping label over here. Dell just, when you buy directly from Dell, they just put label over here. And inside, we have a white box. And this is the inner box. And the outside box, it's not even a box, it's just a piece of cardboard. Has the server stack here and specs over here. And this box does not have any specs or anything, and it does not come sealed. It comes like this. Dark side of the moon color. Start with the charger. Here we have this part. This big and heavy 240 watt Dell. Let me see here. Pretty heavy. We also get here some manuals, not even in plastic, kind of like this. Warranty manual, paper. This is the laptop. I just took it out. It's kind of a little bit dusty inside, as you can see. Okay, now it's clean. Alienware logo here. 17 inch. On this side we have Ethernet and headphone input. Very nice on touch, very good material. On this side we have two USB-A. On this side we have USB-C, another USB-A, HDMI, charging, big screw over here, another there, some ventilation. Have service tag number here. Even here we can see very nice material, kind of cool design on the bottom, which is rare. It is a premium laptop after all. It's very nice. And then we're here. Nice buttons. No numeric keyboard here. Very nice. All the materials are very nice on touch. Even here is very nice. Usually, most of manufacturers usually cheap out on these materials over here. Still very nice. Webcam. Alienware turn on button. I like that it's over here on the side. Very nice design. The keyboard, like this side, looks very conservative. No highlighting for movement buttons. Ryzen 7, this one's 6800, which is pretty good, but new Ryzens are not as good as Intel, unfortunately. But they usually go cheaper, so it's fine. Charger is plugged in, but doesn't go all the way. Keyboard changes colors, look very nice. We need to wait a little bit for Windows to start. Shines. And this on the back also. Very cool looking. I would totally pay extra for Alienware over like Dell G17 or whatnot. Alienware. This looks really nice, feels. The material quality is one of the best, I would say. Although on cheaper Dells, I would say it's probably one of the worst in its segment among gaming laptops, but Alienware is really nice. No wonder it costs more than some others. Windows, then we go through Windows setup and start playing Minecraft, right? That's why we bought an expensive laptop to play Minecraft. This is full price on it, $12.99. Obviously we paid less. You can choose this CPU or that CPU for a lot more. I would just go with this one. Oh, now everything changed. Now it's okay. Windows 11 Home. We had this video card. Definitely wouldn't go with 3050 Ti, very weak. 3060 is fine. This one is comparable, but this one is a lot cheaper, so this one is better. This one is much better, but a lot more money. This one is too much. And this one is, yeah, this is kind of too much. So we're going with this one. Then we go 16 gig of RAM, 4800, dual channel, 208s, 512 SSD. You can go with 4 terabyte SSD. Wow, 4 terabyte SSD, so it's $12.99. We go with 4 terabyte SSD and it changes to that. This is insane. I would say it's insane to charge that much for 4 terabyte. Wow, like over $1,000. That's crazy. That's insane. That's how they make money on options. Same with the iPhones when you buy like 1 terabyte iPhone. It costs them very little and they charge you a lot. So we have different screens here, 480 Hertz. This is like more than you need. This one is fine. They have some features, and this one is, I would probably go with this one actually. This one is fine though. Yeah, this one is totally fine. Dark Side of the Moon. Looks just black. I would say just black. This kind of keyboard, they have different options for keyboard. Ultra low profile. This will be easy to press. It depends on your taste. I'm not sure what's the difference between these two. One zone. Okay, this is gonna be one color, right? This is gonna be probably just red or something. And this has several colors. Here we can see the specs. 240 adapter. Then we have Dark Side of the Moon. Display, obviously non-touch, 3 milliseconds, pretty good for this, for a laptop. MediaTek Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, SSD, RAM, Ryzen 7, 20 megabyte of cache. It's a lot. I have this 1-year warranty, 10 gigabyte RX 6700M. Dark Side of the Moon color, pretty good, I like it. To me, I would say it's just black. Overall, the design is very good, probably my favorite laptop design. I also really like Lenovo Legion 5 Pro or 7 Pro. Those are really nice too. Just go with what you like. Either way is fine. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.